Ayan, so bumulaklak na naman yung red na gumamila, and then yung orange, wait natin yung white, at saka yung pink. Hindi pa siya masyado. Hi, good morning. So, ano lang, gising. Pero kanina pa ako gising. Ngayon lang bumuhat sa bed. Nagluluto tayo ng breakfast. So, may tayong rice. And then egg. Ayan. Of course, may kape tayo guys kasi malamig-lamig ngayon, maulan. Mataas yung result ng ating cholesterol at saka triglycerides, and then I have also lack of vitamin D. Kakaiwas ko na uminom ako ng gatas dahil para sa mataas din ang aking uric acid. So paminsan-minsan magagatas din tayo. Ito yung gatas. Lagyan ng konti para meron tayong vitamin. Of course, kailangan natin ng supplement. Fruits, kahit tayo ng fruits, and then eggs. Magpipito tayo ng egg. And then, meron tayong, of course, ang gagamitin natin is olive oil. Yan, later na tayo mag-break. Hi, ayan. So, lalabas kami at magpapagubit today. Pero magtatapon muna tayo ng basura. Diba? Tapos nandun yung mga naglalaro sa tennis.
Tree fell over.
Yeah. Ayan, may guys, golf. Di ba yaman na
Oh, they got just married on their truck. That truck is upside down.
Right.
Just married. Phone calls, huh?
Yeah, I didn't receive any phone calls from the clinic. Ayan, so pupunta kami doon sa Calabash Town, sa aming dating pinupuntahan. Ito yung gate namin.
Do they
Ganda, diba?
do they know what calabash means?
Yeah, a miracle fruit.
So yeah, it's a method of cooking.
Yeah. Ayan, nakikita niyo naman yung damit ko dahil kahapon konti lang naman yung oras na sinuot ko nito. Mahilig talaga akong guys, suot ng mga alam kong hindi pa madumi, mga sa pakiramdam ko malinis. Hindi tayo marty. So ngayon, that is my first time that they checked my ear. I mean,
Your hearing?
yeah, my hearing and my tongue.
So you'd never had it checked before.
Yeah, never.
So now you know it's perfect.
Yeah, it's perfect. So there's a hurts that it's very deep, you know. I can hear behind the walls someone is murmuring or have a conversation, but that sounds that she said, oh, once you hear some
Deep.
beep, yeah, 4. That's 4.
Mm-hmm. And your eyesight is really good. I was surprised with that because I didn't know that their glasses were that good.
Mm-hmm.
So you have have 2020 in one eye and 2025 in the other eye.
Yeah.
So sometime in the fall, like November or whatever, we'll get an appointment and go get our eyes checked again
Uh-huh.
and maybe get new glasses. Because I'm sure yours are ready for a change, right?
Yeah, yeah. I need to change this one, but I need the same frame. Hey, I need the same frame that I used to.
You could do like the little Chinese guy, have brown glasses, brown frame. Like a little Chinese. Like,
Yeah.
that's a bookkeep. That's an accountant's glasses, the round ones.
Mm-hmm.
All people in finances wear round glasses. I wish I could wear round glasses, but I only have like two choices for frames because my head is big, wide, and long,
Uh-huh.
and they only make like a couple of frames for people like me. So I don't get a lot of choices.
Okay.
So you'll have to look and tell me which one you like best.
Yeah. It should be matched to my what do you call it? Symmetry of my.
Your facial features.
Yeah, yeah. Symmetry.
And we can get them at Costco's. Has been the most successful place I bought mine. I got this last set, the ones that you saw that I don't wear. I got those at BJ's. I don't like them.
Okay.
I need them. But,
Ganda niya, no?
here's our future home. We're gonna buy this farm.
Kung may mga kabayo, guys, baka. If you have goats, horses, and cows. Ayan, guys, so this is the Calabash town. Ang ganda ng place na yan. See the giant flag. A man walking in the street. Peel landing. Ayan, another restaurant. Gourmet. Ang ganda dito. Back. Nails fine. Pansayan stuff. The flags is waving. Tapos may mga tindahan dyan sa beach. Myrtle Beach ito malapit. We're looking for another barbers. Rare patch. Ito yung aming town. Sunny setup, diner. Kumain na kami dito nung nakaraan. Saan ba yun? Sa Pankikan. Yan yung may mga tindahan dyan para sa bahay, mga decoration. Tapos ito naman yung parang mini park na pwede ka maglaro ng golf, kaya sa mga bata. There's a Salon 79 here. Ay! What's that?
Somebody blowing their horn.
Yeah, so try namin dito sa Salon 71.
This is not the right place.
Is that right? It's all for ladies. Mga pambabae. Uso pa dito, guys, yung mga may mga mailbox sa labasan. Look, country stores. Stories. So yan, hanap kami ng bago. Calabash Plaza Style Card Store with Active Living Pearl. Calabash Cottages, Latita, Patrick, Advanced Books, more. I think it's all for women. I think if salon is for women. Ay, ayun, maganda yung bahay na yan. Nakatira si daddy dati dyan. Yung siya. Naghanap lang siya ng bahay niya dito. Ay, ito nga pala yung ano, station ng sheriff office. So magagas ba? Ay hindi, ikot lang si daddy. Diba? Makakapasyal na kayo dito sa aming bayan, sa bayan ng Calabash. Ayan, so hindi na lang kami dito sa Calabash town magpapagupit na lang kami sa kabilang bayan sa pinanggalingan namin kahapon sa Charlotte. And guys, sa Evans Barbershop kami magpapagupit ni daddy.
There's one thing for sure.
Ayan,
Nobody will be saying, "Where did you get that wonderful hair?"
yeah. Ayan guys, dito kami sa belt. I-check na naman baka may ano. Ayan, tingnan yung aking gupit. So, pinatas na lang namin yung matanda na may disabled siya para matulungan namin. Yung mga matanda na dito, yung mga hairdresser, kaluka. Ayan, bibili na naman kung may makitang magustuhan kami dito guys. Ganitong pink na to. Thank you.
I can see the people here.
Ayan, wala kaming
calling the
nabili.
police.
Aha.
And then these two weird guys with these weird haircuts wandering around. You think they're aliens from another planet?
Tawang-tawa si daddy dahil yung ano niya, yung kanyang haircut. Ayan o. Biglang inano, yung ano niya. Kaloka.
You know what it reminds me of?
Tawang-tawa siya.
It reminds me of the mental hospital in Mandaluyong
Aha.
where you were
Kasi ayaw kasi sa babae. Ngayon alam ko na, sabi ni daddy sa babae daw dapat magpapagupit dahil yung mga babae sumusunod sa mga trends, mga hairstyle. Si daddy, oh, kalbo. You are bald.
Hey, in the mental hospital in Mandaluyong, they would take the patients and they would shave their heads and they would cut the cut off
Yeah, you're right.
scrubs. You have to laugh to keep from crying.
Yeah, you're right. Tawang-tawa si daddy sa aming haircut.
We got scalped.
Yeah.
We're gonna go up and check out that produce farmers market,
Okay, we're gonna grab the cantaloupe and
and then we'll come back to home and eat make us tuna salad sandwich or something.
okay, we should stop eating. Okay, do your food if you want to eat after 6. But I'm sure that I want to cut my eating hours to 6 o'clock, and then the next morning, the next meal it should be 9 in the morning.
Okay.
Okay. Okay naman siya, di ba?
So that moves our eating hour up an hour, 1 hour.
Yeah.
And we gotta quit eating biscuits. Those are bad.
Yeah. If you want to have a bread, so for example, we're gonna consume the one that we have in the house that we have. I mean, Chick-fil-A.
And we gotta quit eating Chick-fil-A too.
Yeah.
Well, we got the chicken in the house, so we can make our own Chick-fil-A.
Yeah. Where are we going?
We're going to that produce market I told you we always wanted to stop at
Okay.
up there on the road.
Okay, fine.
Is that okay?
Yeah, it's okay, sure. I thought you were going to somewhere. So tomorrow, where we can go somewhere.
Well, we're going tomorrow to Conway
Okay.
at the big outlet mall in Anderson. We already went to the household goods place there, but we haven't. do something different.
I have a breast.
You do want to go, right?
Yeah. Where?
Tomorrow, somewhere.
It's nearby.
Well, we'll spend the day out like we did before. You don't want to spend the day?
I will.
I mean, if you like staying home, we can stay home and not go anywhere. You can make the choice.
Let's see. Oh, the dog was there. Is there.
I'm sorry?
The dog in the truck. So, ayan. Baka naman siguro itong haircut ko.
Yeah, I figure you don't want to be seen in public with your haircut.
No.
Wear your cap.
I like this one, younger look.
Then you get rid of all your gray hair. You look like you're 18 now.
Yeah. I'm younger now.
And yeah, me too. I got rid of gray hair too.
Yeah.
But you give me some dye what I have left would be black. It'd be like dark black. Be like a rock star. Bought 2 tomatoes today.
Yeah, okay.
I know you don't like tomatoes.
No, we need also tomato so that I can plant the tomato. So
Yeah, that's
here we are now in the market. Bibili kami ng melon at saka nakakatamad na guys. Inaantok ako. Kagabi kasi kunti lang tulog ko. Kakaloka. Okay, your phone and my pocket. Ayan, so kami dyan ang daddy. At si daddy bibili ng kamatis.
All your mints are good too.
Huh?
All your spices.
Yeah, man.
There's beautiful ones there.
Ano gusto ni daddy ng Baguio beans? How much per bag?
75 cents in here. So you can get our
Eh, nakabili na kami guys. So, mamaya na lang i-share ko kung ano namin nabili. May mais, may zucchini. We have a Baguio beans. May sili si daddy. And then, we have also cantaloupe o kaya melon.
eggplant,
Cantaloupe.
hot pepper, eggplant.
Yes, and also cantaloupe, right?
Yeah, cantaloupe, tomato,
Yeah, tomato.
squash.
The yellow tomato looks like the fruits. What's that? The fruit, that one?
The yellow tomato?
Yeah.
It's just a yellow tomato. There's all kind. Those are called hybrid tomatoes. The normal tomato is red. Yeah, that's what we used to make our ketchup with here is tomato. You guys use bananas.
Yeah, it's banana, you're right.
And that may be, if you're eating ketchup, might be one of your problems. You might be allergic to the tomato.
No, because that's inflammatory.
But
I think we will plant tomato there. Breaking the silence. Oh, we've been in a supermarket yesterday, right?
yeah,
I will forget to buy heavy cream for our pasta. It's okay since that we are.
we'll catch tomorrow.
Yeah, no, it's okay because we're gonna start our diet. So we will cook pasta just as it is with olive and chicken. That's it, salt and pepper.
We can also grill the chicken that goes in the pasta and make like we had the other day at
yeah.
Applebee's. That was really good.
Yeah. The season's rice. Oh, the car is still there for sale. Yeah, it's for sale. Whoa, big truck. Pauwi na kami, malapit na. Inaantok ako. So I'm gonna drink with the milk of magnesia now. And guys, so natulog tayo. Alas 5 na. Habang pagdating namin kanina, naantok ako. Tapos si daddy nasa kitchen, nagluluto siya guys. Ayan no. Nagluluto si daddy ng chicken. Naka-grill siya. Daddy, your chicken! Check your chicken please. And of course, meron siya ditong beans. Diba? Parang galing sa tulog. Kasi yung kanyang beans. Kasi bumili kami kanina ng beans, diba? Tapos ito ikakat ko now. Para naman, meron tayong pakinabang sa kanya. You just flip this one? Okay. Iwan ko, hindi ko maintindihan kung anong sabi niya. Ayan, sikakat na natin tong melon. Oh. Natakot naman. O diba? Ang bango ng melon. Telling the facts. Tayong pa.
Okay, we're ready to eat.
Ayan, si daddy nag-prepare ng aming dinner. So, merong coleslaw, the bean, the barbecue chicken, the cantaloupe or melon, tapos yung bahaw. Ang bahaw talaga nagdala.